Who administers the oath of office to the governor? The correct answer is option A, Chief Justice of the High Court. In which article of the Constitution there is a provision for a joint sitting of both the houses? The correct answer is option A, 108. When was Bhimrao Ambedkar, the architect of the Constitution of India, born? The correct answer is option C, 14th April. Who said the Constituent Assembly that the directive principles of government policy are like a check payable in a bank, which the bank pays at its convenience? The correct answer is K.T. Shah. In which of the following is a writ that is issued to courts, corporations, government servants, or individuals, directing them to perform a public duty? The correct answer is option B, mandamus. From which country the system of election of the president in the Indian Constitution has been taken? The correct answer is option C, Ireland. The Constitution of India guarantees the right to education to all children in the age group of. The correct answer is option A, 6 to 14 years. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with union territories? The correct answer is option C, part 8. India has taken the concept of judicial review from which country's constitution? The correct answer is option D, USA. How many fundamental rights are there in Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option C, 6. Who was the Prime Minister of India during Indo-Pakistan War in 1965? The correct answer is option C, Lal Bahadur Shastri. When fundamental duties were added in the Constitution of India? The correct answer is option A, 1976. Finance Bill of Indian Government is presented in. The correct answer is option C, lower house. Who has the right to transfer any case anywhere in India? The correct answer is option A, Supreme Court. If the President of India wants to resign, he has to address the letter of resignation to the. The correct answer is option C, Vice President. The vacancy of the office of the President must be filled within The correct answer is option C, 6 months. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka wheel of the Indian national flag? The correct answer is option A, 24. The correct sequence of assurances given in the preamble of the Indian Constitution is The correct answer is option C, justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Which article of the Indian Constitution empowers Indian Parliament to amend the Constitution? The correct answer is option A, Article 368. The official term of the President's office is The correct answer is option B, 5 years. How many members can nominate by the President to the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option A, 12. Which article is related to abolition of untouchability? The correct answer is option D, Article 17. The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is The correct answer is option D, 250 members. In India, all executive powers of the Union ultimately lies in The correct answer is option C, President. The upper house of Indian Parliament is known as The correct answer is option A, the Rajya Sabha. Who had given the idea to have a constitution of India? The right answer is option C, M.N. Roy. In which year Right to Information Act was implemented? The correct answer is option A, 15th June 2005. Who holds the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court? The correct answer is option D, Parliament. The act that is also known as Morley-Minto reforms is a Indian Councils Act 1909. Protection of life and liberty is included under which article of the Constitution of India? The correct answer is option A, Article 21. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with the amendment of the Constitution? The correct answer is option C, 20. Which of the following elections is not conducted under the supervision of the Election Commission of India? The correct answer is option C, election of local bodies of the states. Who can remove the judge of the Supreme Court? The correct answer is option D, both Parliament and President. Which of the following who attended the three roundtable conference? The correct answer is option B, B.R. Ambedkar. In which of the following locations did the 1920 Indian National Congress take place? The correct answer is option D, Nagpur. Selling children for prostitution comes under which section? The correct answer is option D, section 372. Which of the following is the oldest high court in India? The correct answer is option B, High Court of Calcutta. Sharada Act deals with the correct answer is option B, child marriage. What is the maximum time limit for filing of a complaint before the Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum from the date when the cause of action arises? The correct answer is option B, 2 years. Who was the first Minister of Law of independent India? The correct answer is option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Match the names of writs in list A with their meanings in list B. List A. First, habeas corpus. Second, mandamus. Third, certiorari. Fourth, quo warranto. List B. A. We command. B. What is your authority? C. You may have the body. D. To be certified. The correct answer is option D, 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B. Who is the legal advisor to the government of a state in India? The correct answer is option D, the Advocate General. Which of the following describes India as a secular state? The correct answer is option D, Preamble of the Constitution. Who can remove the Vice President from his office? The correct answer is option C, Parliament. Which part of the Constitution deals with the panchayats? The correct answer is option A, part 9. The panchayat system was adopted to The correct answer is option A, to decentralize the power of democracy. Which article of Indian Constitution contains the definition of money bills? The correct answer is option A, Article 110. Which of the following allots election symbols to political parties? The correct answer is option A, Election Commission of India. Which of the following provisions is not borrowed by the Indian Constitution from the Canadian Constitution? The correct answer is option D, nomination of members to Rajya Sabha. Indian Constitution is, choose the correct option. The correct answer is option B, Qazi Federal. The method of amending the Constitution by popular veto is found in which of the following? The correct answer is option B, Switzerland.